harvesting calamansi for our juice at dinner. Here's my harvest so far. There's a lot more here. Here is my calamansi harvest from our very prolific calamansi tree, and look at the tiny grapes growing. This one, there's another one here. There are actually lots of them around this trellis. And this is the blueberry grapevine, and over there we have like pearlet grapevine, which is like green, so green grapes. And then again, my beautiful calamansi harvest. I'll show you the grapes that are growing here, and then we have a lot there. Look at those. And then here too. See? And then over there. Bunch of grapes. I will harvest the leaves soon to make tomatas or donuts or like stuffed grape leaves, since a lot of leaves that I need to prune anyway. Look at how heavy duty, and this is rust proof, so you just like insert it, and the tomato plant will grow inside this cage, so this cage will act as like a support to this tomato. See? And then the fruits will come out here, and it will be beautiful. And then the rings are adjustable too, so if they are like smaller, if they are like seedlings, you can put this down and then you just adjust it as like the plant grows taller. And this, like if you have like, for example, this one is more of a climbing, like this is a raspberry, so this is also perfect for like the raspberry. So the raspberry has like a support. It also came with plant ties, so if you have climbing like plants, for example, like seedlings, you have 4 here, and then you train them to crawl onto this like post, tie them in the beginning, and then once they are like taller, they are on their own. So this is more of like training the plants to grow upwards, or to like crawl onto like the post. Super easy to put together. That's the first one. This is the 3rd layer. So one package comes with 2 trellis, and they are reusable. So after this season, you can use them again next year. I highly recommend these trellis, and the link is down below if you're interested. They were given to me by the brand. I have lots of okra here for tonight's dinner. I am making okra curry. It's an Indian recipe, so it's more of like bindi curry. I'm also like steaming basmati rice for this, so we're eating basmati with this. I washed the okra. It's lots and lots of okra, whole okra. Actually have more okra in the fridge. Red onion. I'm cooking the shrimp here, which is almost ready. I'm using 2 cups of yogurt. This is half a cup. About 4 of this. Maybe just like 3. And another. I'm using this ground flour, besan ground flour. My cousin, who is married to an Indian, recommended this to us. Like one time we went to their like place, and her mother-in-law served like something that we really like, and it's made of this besan. So for this, I need about 2 tablespoons of this like ground flour. turmeric, and then water. And then I just need to put water here. I added water. I just need to make it more oblate liquidy. Just making sure that the gram of flour is incorporated into this yogurt. I'm using this Kashmir red whole chili. So first, let's put in this. Lower the fire. Looks like chili. I think I need more. This is Kashmir, like red chili. Let's add cinnamon. And there's like star anise. 2 star anise. 1. Ooh, look at star anise. And then mustard seeds and garlic. Smells so good in here. This like combination is like cinnamon, star anise, chili, garlic, mustard seeds, toasted. That smells so good. And then cook this for another 10 minutes. Time it to make sure that we don't forget about it. Now I am making calamansi juice. Let me cut this first. I have the calamansi here. Okra curry or bindi curry is now ready. Oh, they rhyme. Here's the bindi curry with shrimp. Our calamansi juice is ready too. I just add sweetener and ice and water. That's it. Let's eat. Oh, we're eating the bindi curry or the okra curry with basmati rice. Early morning. Early morning. Wow. The sun is out there. Thanks. Beautiful day today. Flowers. This is not your typical garden hose. This was designed for RVs, trailers, and campers, so this is BPA free, meaning you can drink water from here. The rubber is food grade, and this is made of pure copper. It has a 5/8 diameter, super durable. It has a blast-proof inner layer, an enhanced mid layer, and can handle up to 150 psi. Also, this is all weather. You can use this when it's super cold, like up to -22 degrees Fahrenheit, and even when it's super hot, like up to 158 degrees Fahrenheit. And this will not kink. This part is protected by a US design pattern. The hose end is universal and will fit in most water outlet. This is 25 feet long but is available from 15 feet up to 150 feet. Also, this is color white and also comes in other colors. Super impressed with the features of this hose, and the link is down below if you're interested. It was given to me by Circle River. The hummingbird. Oh, sad. I hope he's okay. Oh no. Here, look at those. Oh my. We're so happy to see that the hummingbird's nest is intact after the rain. We're so worried that it might like drop, but the hummingbird is still there. Right there. That's what I'm having. Husband is having this, and then mango juice. I'm having macchiato. Having coffee. This is my breakfast. This is my breakfast.
I'm having pizza, Korean barbecue.
Alright. Now we're grocery shopping. Goes here, and the theater, More Than Waffles is popular, Yoga, Panda Express, Wells Fargo, and the skin thing. Here, oh, beautiful day after the rain. See, this is a Mediterranean market. These are the stuff. While we're here, I'll give you a quick tour of this market. Geo mint. This one is Tara and cilantro. 4 plums.
You like it?
This one is sour grape water. Oh, so cute. I'll get this one. Breakfast cream. Feta. These are the cheese. Feta, Greek feta. That one, Greek feta. No. Cheese. You want to try halloumi cheese at home? Barley. Oh yeah. Beans, barley. And pistachios, all the nuts and stuff. This is so cute. We're at Subsea. This is a Mediterranean market, and we're here for like this one. We need this for a recipe, a Turkish recipe for this week. And we also got other stuff like this, and then artichoke for the salad, and then capers, and then this one is super cute. It's for making like sauce. Kebab too. Yummy cakes and pastries. So pretty. That is very pretty. Recipe from Rav's, and here's a recipe from Subsea. Now we are going to pick up Josh from his Russian math school. Now we're heading to Trader Joe's, which is almost hummingbird there. Look at the hummingbird, but there are no flowers nearby. Go to our garden. We have a lot of flowers for you. There you go. You see that?
Oh yeah, I see it. It's really tiny though.
Yeah, so tiny, and like I think it's looking for place to eat breakfast, no? Or lunch. Choppy, fresh artichokes. Healthy whole artichoke hearts and couscous, or spring couscous salad. Oh, nice spring couscous salad. Garbanzo, artichoke hearts, organic couscous, and so these are the ingredients for spring couscous salad. Let's get this. Let's get artichoke too. Yeah, cheddar cheese. I love this Greek cheddar cheese. And these snacks right now. They don't have what we are looking for here at Trader Joe's. What's that? The noodles, the fresh noodles for Dan Dan, and the chili oil. So now we're going to a Vietnamese grocery store. But first, we are going to pick up our lunch at Marco's Pizza. This is my fourth grocery for today. This is a Vietnamese grocery store. Looking for noodles for Dan Dan. For chili oil. Maybe chili oil. Out of stuff here. Are you? We're late.
Put my face back in, okay? Can I see everybody practice that while they're just standing up right now? Can I see everybody do something like that? Wait, what? Oh, yeah.
Now swimming is done and off to getting lunch. Oh, getting dinner. To Chipotle. Our Chipotle. Oh, actually Josh and Daddy's.
They mean Daddy are eating all fast food. You're lucky to go and eat outside.
Yes. Dinner at a sushi place.
A sushi place?
Yes, wasabi. Actually. Wanna go?
So jelly.
And then and then Josh and Daddy, they're having chipotle. Josh is having asada, Daddy is having al pastor. Josh harvested more lemons to make lemonade.
I'm just ready.
Did you check our hummingbird?
Yeah. Let's make lemonade. So here's our lemon. Now we can strain it. Okay, I think I squeezed everything out of this one. And now this one. Some sugar. Now that I've mixed it, it turns into a nice yellowy color. Here's my lemonade.
I guess Josh's favorite. Blue cabra.